Good evening, guys. See, take the core Java here. If you take the core Java, yeah. Like, what the technologies that require the core Java? Tell me. Generally, in market, in real time industry, most of the technology depends on the core Java, right? Just like Selenium, the Selenium coding is done based on the core Java, right? Yeah, Selenium coding is done based on the core Java. An Android activity class. I think Android completely coding is based on the core Java. Hmm? Like that, what are the technology depends on core Java? Tell me. Any idea? Yes, Eric. Take the 20 members in the class. 20 members don't think like all are Java developers, right? Some of the guys they require the Selenium classes. That's what they're taking core Java class. Some of the guys from the Hadoop. Some of the guys from the Salesforce, cloud computing. These are the things, right? Exactly. Mm, yeah. So like that, guys, what are the technologies that required the core Java means? Just you try to see this diagrammatic form once. Okay, the technologies that required the core Java. See the small PPT ones, one small slide, first slide. Yeah, these are the technologies which require the core Java, guys, basically. These are technologies which require the core Java. Uh, yeah, see this diagram, guys, once. What the technology required the core Java means, see, if you take the Selenium completely coding is done based on the core Java. Hadoop is also completely done based on the core Java. See, guys, before starting the class, first you have to know what is your technology and what the course is recommended in the real time. Okay, if you start the Java, how many days it will take? If I start the Selenium class, how many days it will take? So we have some clear idea, right? Some plan is required, guys. So you can prepare the plan and execute the plan, guys. That is a better option. Okay, so prepare the plan and what execute the plan, right? Exactly, guys. Because if we after the core Java, we have like you can attend the Selenium classes if you want. Otherwise, Hadoop classes. The guys who need the Hadoop classes, they need, definitely require the core Java knowledge. And Pega require the core Java, Salesforce, cloud computing, Angular, ADF guys, application development framework. If anyone is like Oracle employee, so we have like ADF, application development framework, and we have the OAF, Oracle application framework, and we have the SAP modules, guys, system application products. Systems application products, and we have the OAM, Oracle Identity Management, Oracle Identity Management, and Android, so PLM, Product Lifecycle Management, which is like mechanical students, they know the PLM product, and MDM. If anyone IBM employees are there, so MDM require the core Java, and JavaScript. These all the classes definitely require the core Java. So TIPCO, ETL tools, guys. The guys who are working on ETL tools, these also require the core Java, right? TIPCO tool and Pentaho tool, these all the required core Java, guys. So definitely, do you agree that these all the technologies require the core Java or not? First of all, guys, do guys agree that all these technologies require the core Java or not? Hmm?
So,
Guys, maybe some guys you say in classes that's what they into core Java. Some guys they're from the ADF, OAF. Is anyone else like ADF, application development framework? It's like Oracle tool, right? So ADF complete coding is done based on the Java. So OAF also, Oracle application framework. OAM, Oracle Identity Management. So these are all required like core Java, guys. Good. See, guys, after core Java, if you take the Selenium classes, there's definitely these all the technologies require the core Java, right? Definitely Selenium, Hadoop, these all the classes require the core Java, guys. See, after core Java, you can choose like what are the respective technology. Definitely, is all the technology are having a very good market in real time. Yeah, very good market is there in the real time. Definitely, Narendra Reddy. Yeah, good. Yeah. No, sir, I want to become a Java developer. So, guys, if you want to become a Java developer, you forgot about right hand side. So, after core Java, if you take like Selenium class, if you want, you can go for Selenium, ADF, OAF, SAP modules, MDM, these all required. Definitely, these all the technologies, whatever technology you're taking, definitely require the core Java, right? No, sir, I want to become a Java developer. Because to become a Java developer, uh, yeah, sir, course duration. Yeah, Baba, I'll tell you the course duration. See, guys, after core Java, if you want to take the corresponding technology, otherwise, you want to become a Java developer. See, guys, if you want to become a yeah, if you want to become a Java developer means yeah, Java developer means see, guys, to become a Java developer, we have to complete the two things like first we have to take the level one basically. The level one like you have to take the core Java class as well as what core and advanced Java class, right? Exactly. Yes, level one is like what core Java and core Java and what advanced Java class, right? Exactly. So level one you have to complete like core Java class, advanced Java class here. Kindly increase the volume. Check your side, man. I think my side is fine. Hmm? Avinash. Yes, volume is clear, everyone? Good. Yes, you have to complete the level one like core Java, advanced Java, and you have to take the level two guys after core Java, after level two here. Yes, level two you can directly Spring classes and the Spring Boot classes, Spring and Spring Boot classes. Because the Spring faculty will teach like Spring class as well as Spring Boot classes. You take the Spring and Spring Boot classes. Parallel you can take parallel you can take the web services classes, guys. Web services come about microservices concepts. Okay, good. So web services again two types we have like REST services and SOAP services. So the faculty will teach you what is the REST and what is the SOAP services, right? Exactly. Yes, basically the word like SOAP services means the SOAP services based on what XML data. It means the request and response is processing based on what XML data, SOAP services. And if you take the REST services, REST API calls. Guys. Some guys are saying like REST API calls. This is the processing is done based on the JSON data. Hmm? So if anyone said like REST API calls like SOAP date like SOAP calls and REST calls means that's basically like service, guys. The service like SOAP services means what they are designing the service. It will take like which data no. Design the service like they'll take the which data here SOAP data basically. SOAP services means what they done the processing with the XML data, guys. REST services means what they done the processing with the my JSON data, right? Yes, they done the processing with the JSON data, right? Exactly. Guys. So to become a Java developer, definitely we require these things, guys. Basically, hmm? Java developer means what? Definitely the core Java advanced are required. After core Java advanced, you directly can take the Spring and what web services classes, guys. Good. Hibernate is not required, guys, because in place of Hibernate, we have the Spring JPA. Some little bit advanced topics are there. In the companies, we are not using like Hibernate classes. After completion of this structure, then you can think like, hmm, after completion of the structure, you can think like about if you have the time, you can think about Hibernate classes, guys. Good. But to become a Java developer, first you require the core and advanced Java, then Spring Boot and Spring Boot. Spring Boot is not a separate technology just like Spring only, but in the Spring Boot, like giving some boosting to the Spring classes, guys. Like in the Spring, what are the configurations you done manually? In the Spring Boot, they are making the configurations automatic. So manual configurations becomes what automatic, right? Exactly. Is that clear? There's the first point you have to think, guys. Like these all the technologies require the core Java. So after the class, just you can take this diagram. Selenium, Hadoop, Pega, Salesforce, these all the technologies require the core Java. So if you want to see Java level means you have the Spring, Hibernate, web services, JSPs. Jasper reports, and EJBs, structs, tools and design patterns. These all things are there. But a straightforward present situation, we need like only these things, guys. Core, advanced Java, Spring and Spring Boot web services. Because you got some clarity, right? So Java developer means what extent you required. Other developer means what extent you required. Hmm? This like ADF, OAF, these all the things means you require only core Java. Guys, which requires what only core Java, right? Is it clear now? Good. Guys, any questions? Definitely these all required. All these all require what? Definitely core Java, right? Exactly, guys. This next one is something like we can go for the Java introduction part here. So guys, who is the author of Java? If we start the author of Java, guys, who is the author of Java? Guys, who is the father of Java other than creator of Java? Who is the author of Java, guys? Definitely can take like James Gosling is vendor James Gosling, guys. He is the author of Java. And who is the vendor, guys? Which company releases Java here? Guess which company releases Java? Yes, today's demo class. So we have to get some clarity about what is a Java. This all the technology required
Sun
Java.
Pharma.
Uh, to become a Java developer means what extent required means just level 1, level 2 required. And after that, you have to know some information about the Java. So who is author means James Gosling. Vendor means which company released the Java, guys. Initially, it is from which company here? Sun Microsystems. So now Sun Microsystems is taken by Oracle, right? So now the Java product from which company, guys? Now the Java product from Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly, guys. Other is like James Gosling. Yeah, other is James Gosling. Vendor is like Sun Microsystem. Now it is from which company, guys? Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly, guys. Yes, anyone knows like any initial name of Java? Initially, what the Java name we can call? Yes, initially Java name is what? Oak language, right? Yeah, Oak language, guys. Basically, Oak is what tree name, right? Yes, initial name of Java is what? Oak language. Yes, what the present name of Java? Present name of Java is definitely what? Java, right? Exactly. Yes, initial name is like Oak language, guys. Present name is what? Java, right? Exactly. So next one is like you can go for the initial version of Java. When the Java released in market? Yes, initial version of Java when it is released in market. The initial version of Java like JDK Java Development Kit like 1.0, guys, which is released in the 1996 basically. That's JDK 1.0, released in what 1996, right? Exactly. Because before the initial version at that time they have the trial versions, right? Nothing but beta versions, guys. Beta version is released in 1995 actually. Yes, 1995, right? Exactly. Basically, development, guys. Development starts. When the development starts means 1990s almost. Yes, development starts in 1990s. In beta version is released in 1995. Initial version of Java released in what? 1996, right? Exactly. Yes, anyone knows like what the present version of Java? Like what the present version of Java?
Java 12.
Java 12. Okay, fine. Any other versions, guys? What the present version of Java? Babu. Yeah, exactly, man. Java 16th version is running, guys. Java 13 came, 14 came, 15 came, 16 is running. Java 16 running. Yeah, nowadays, see, they're releasing like versions like any every year they're releasing two versions, guys. Java 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. The recently they introduced what Java 16th version, guys. So the present version of Java is what Java 16th version, right? Exactly. And see, Java 16th is the present version, guys. Do you think like all the companies they're using 16th version? Yes, the RK Corporation is like Java 16th version recently. Do you think the companies are using 16th version in your companies? In your company or my company? No, right? Then what the companies are using which version? That is called general stable version you can call. That's what the companies are using which version? That version is called what? A stable version, right? Guys, tell me as per your knowledge what is stable version? Yeah, guys, as per your
Java 8.
knowledge. Exactly, man. Still in my one of the project they're using Java 8 only. Java 8. And recently we are starting like new project, guys. Even my friend company also they are starting new project. They are starting like Java 11th version. Exactly, wow. So you can try to ask like any Java developers what the current version of Java you're using. Definitely your friends are saying definitely 8 or 11 version. 8 or 11 version, guys. Yeah, they feel like 8th version, 11 version is good when compared to all other things. That's what still we are using Java 8 version, one of the project, and one of the project is using Java 11. So if you have a chance, you try to ask your friends and try to check what the version of Java they are using. Guys, try to check what the version of Java they are using, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear? What a stable version is clear, right? Stable version means what? The companies what the version they are using. But generally, you can call it as a stable version, right? Exactly, guys. Yes, other is James Gosling. Vendor is Sun Microsystem. Initial name is Oak Language. Present name is Java. Development is starts from 1990s, guys. Almost. Winter version is 1995. So initial version of Java is in the JDK 1.0 is in 1996, right? Present version is Java 16 version. Stable version like Java 8 or what? Java 11, right? Java 8 or what? Java 11, right? Exactly, guys. Hmm? Good. So next point is like, so you're taking like now what are core Java concepts, guys. Maybe after core Java you will take advanced Java class, right? If core Java is complete, you'll take the advanced Java. But do you think like is that core Java advanced is official terms given by Sun Microsystem? Yes. Do you think like core Java advanced is official terms given by Sun Microsystem or not? Hmm? What do you say? Yes. The question is that core Java advanced Java is official terms are given by Sun Microsystem or not? Definitely, these are the official terms or not means definitely no, man. These are not official terms. These are not official terms, right? Exactly. Koja Advantage is not official terms, guys. The above terms are not official terms. As per the Sun Microsystem standards, as per the Sun Microsystem, because who is the initial vendor of Java? Sun Microsystem, right? As per the Sun Microsystems standard, the Java divided into Java what? Divided into three parts, guys. Yes, as per the Sun Microsystem standards, Java divided into how many parts? Three parts. What are three parts, guys? Here, anyone knows these three parts? Hmm. As per the Sun Microsystem standards, the Java divided into three parts, guys. Core Java, advanced Java is official terms or unofficial terms mean unofficial terms, right? Exactly. Yeah, exactly, Babu. So JDEE is there, JTSC is there. Core Java, advanced Java are not official official terms, right? Core Java, advanced Java is not official terms, guys. See, in Amirpet classes, generally basics of Java, we are calling it as a core Java. With advanced topics, we are calling it as advanced Java, guys. But as per the Sun Microsystem standards, the Java divided into how many parts? Three parts. Yes, as per the Sun Microsystem standards, the Java divided into three parts, guys. Tell me what are the three parts here? One is like a JTSC, Java 2 Standard Edition. This is like what? So Java 2, Java 2 what? Standard Edition, right? One is the Java 2 Standard Edition, guys. Second is the JTEE. So it is like Java 2, Java 2, this Java 2 Enterprise Edition, right? Exactly. Java 2 Standard Edition. Second one is what? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. What the third one, guys? J2ME, right? So Java 2, guys, Java 2 edition now. So Java 2 Micro Edition, right? Exactly. Guys. There are total three parts of Java, guys. One is the Java 2 Standard Edition, J2 JTSC, and JW Java 2 Enterprise Edition, JTME Java 2 Micro Edition, right? Exactly. Because you're taking the core Java classes now, is the core Java belongs which part? JTSC part, guys. Indirectly, you're taking now JTSC classes here. Guys, your core Java belongs to what are the core Java you are taking? Core Java belongs to core Java belongs which part, guys? Here, JTSC part, right? Exactly. Guys, are it clear now? Total, how many parts of Java we have total? Just total like we have the three parts of Java. So what are the three parts, guys? One is like JTSC, one is the J2EE, and what? JTME, right? Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, Java 2 Micro Edition, right? Exactly, guys. Is it clear now? Good. Yes, basically Java 2 Standard Edition, guys, it is used to develop the standalone application. So what is a standalone application? I'll tell you later. But JTSC is used for the which application, guys? Standalone. Standalone applications, right? Exactly. So J2EE, which is used for the web applications as well as enterprise applications, guys. Which for the web applications as well as what? Enterprise application, right? Exactly. So whatever J2ME, Java 2 Micro Edition, right? Use it for the mobile application development, guys. Mobile apps. So as of now, we forgot about mobile apps. You'll think about the Java applications means, but then we have to focus on JTSC and what JDEE concept, right? Exactly. Because JTSC is for basically standalone applications. JDEE we can design like web applications as well as enterprise applications. Okay. JTME means what? Java 2 Micro Edition, which is used for the mobile applications, right? Exactly. Because your code base belongs to definitely which part, guys? JTSC part, right? Exactly. Next one is like parts of Java, guys. If you take the parts of Java, like how many parts of Java total we have? Three parts, right? One is like JTSC. Guys, one is like JTSC, the second one is what? J2EE, third one is what? JTME, right? Exactly, guys. It's parts of Java, like there are three parts of Java: JTSC, JWE, and what? JTME, right? Exactly. Yes, what are the implementation languages? Implementation languages means what? Java developed based on which language? Java is developed based on what? C, CVP, right? Exactly. Guys, Java is developed based on what type of languages? C, CVP language, right? That's what this implementation languages are what? C, CVP, right? Exactly. Very clear now? Implementation languages are what? C, CVP, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, any questions, please? Is my explanation is clear, everyone? Sorry, you're explaining very basic things you're thinking. Is the class is going good or you're taking very basic things? Yeah, definitely you require these basic things, right? Yes or no? Tell me, guys, the class is going good or anyone is feeling bored? Sorry, you are taking like very basic points like JDSC and hmm? Yes, definitely you need these points. So demo classes means hmm. Yeah, basics is important, definitely, man. Yeah, guys, the guys who are thinking of the practical, just give me 1 day. So mostly tomorrow, go for the some more theory points. Day after tomorrow, we'll start the practical, guys. Third day itself, we'll start the practicals. Okay. So third day onwards, we'll go with the both theory and practical both parallelly. So every day discussing theory is not recommended, definitely. So just today and tomorrow, I'll go for some basic demo classes, like basic theory points. Definitely theory points are important. So today you got the clarity, like what are the technologies that depends on Java? What are the technologies that depends on Java? Who is a vendor of Java? Who is author of Java? How many parts of Java? Java developer means what extent we have to learn. What is the present version of Java? Stable version is still the companies are using Java 8 and 11 version, right? Yes or no? Initial name you can call it as a work language. Present name you can call it as a Java, right? Exactly, guys. Just coming to our class duration of this course, guys. If you take like core advanced Java package, guys, if you take the core Java advanced Java package, course class duration, like course duration you can take. Yeah, course duration, guys. If you take only core Java, it will take the 2 months, guys. So if you take only core Java, what? It will take the 2 months. It will take only advanced Java, it will take again ADV Java, it will take the 2 months, right? Again, exactly. Because if you take the package, core and advanced both, first 1 month you will start the core Java, guys. After 1 month you will start advanced Java parallelly. After 1 month, advanced Java will start the parallelly some other time. Like this is 5 to 6, like we have the core Java, 6 to 7 we have advanced Java. Then the guys who are taking the core Java advanced Java both package classes, first 1 month class will go for the core Java. After 1 month parallel you will start advanced Java. It means within 3 months you'll complete the core and advanced Java, guys. Because within 3 months you'll complete what? Core Java advanced Java, right? Exactly. If you take the core Java class timing, guys, the class time will be the 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So today demo class I started by 5:10. So once the formalities are completed, we'll go for the 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. There's a class timing, guys. Good. And the class notes, guys. This is the class notes what I'm writing, right? Sir, can please share these notes, right? Definitely you need these class notes. Guys, the guys who are starting this core Java newly, so well and good, it's not a problem. But the guys who are starting newly, are the guys who are new to technical side. Otherwise, the guys who are done the BTech recently. Every day you try to take the class notes, guys. Today, what are the class notes you done? Just to take the pen and paper. Just it will take just 10 to 15 minutes, right? Just take the pen and paper. Try to note down what are the points we discussed. Okay. Yes or no? Good. Yes. After this demo class, they'll share this demo class link actually. So then in the class notes, we try to take this beautiful diagram. So after this taking this diagram, you just add these points, right? Just add the point, guys. Make it like in the notes, day one notes, day one, day two, day three, day four, like that. Then you'll get the clarity how many days the class is going on, right? So see, yes or no? How many days the class is going on, you'll get some clarity, guys. So, sir, how can you share these notes? Means, see, guys, to share this class notes, I'll use one link basically. So, protectf.com I will use protectf.com/. So, Java core advanced, right? Core ADV 5 p.m. class, something like this. Yes, core ADV 5 p.m. Core ADV 5 p.m. Core ADV 5 p.m. Yeah. Yeah, this is like day one class notes. Okay, this I'll place the class notes here, right? Yeah, day one class notes. This one is a day one class notes. Here I'll place the code, guys. So let me share this link with you. I'll share this link. Java is a password. Yeah. You see, even if you are not attending my classes, guys, maybe you are taking like demo classes. If you are not attending even my classes, after the some like every day that you can check the class notes, guys. What we are teaching in the classroom. Okay. You try to check the class notes, guys. This is the class link for everyone. It is available like mm, lifelong, guys. So this is the class notes link, guys. But the class notes link here, to check the class notes link, use this website, guys. Just to check the class notes. Yeah, this is the class notes link. The class notes. When you open this link, guys, it's asking password. You try to open that link, guys, once anyone. If you open that link, it's asking password. The password for this one is like Java is a password, right? Exactly, guys. Yes, the point is clear. Productdesk.com/core advanced 5 p.m. Core advanced 5 p.m. Password for this one is what? Java is a password, right? Java is a password, guys. So class notes link, guys. We will share the class notes link using this website, right? Exactly. Coming to the Koja schedule, guys, I will share the schedule copy with you. Just you try to check the schedule copy and what are the topics we are going to discuss, how many days the topic will take, how many days the topic will take. So completely organized here. Let me share the data with you. So just I'll place the index copy in that productbase.com, guys. Just you try to check that one. So, okay, Koja schedule and Koja syllabus and schedule, guys. So introduction part, how many days it will take? 7 days, guys. Operators, it will take the 2 days. Like every topic, I'm placing the corresponding topic and corresponding days, how many days it will take, right? So flow control statement 3 days, Java class concept 8 days it required, package and modifiers 3 days, oops concepts 8 days, inheritance like interfaces 3 days, modifiers like something like 1 day, 5 days, 2 days, something like this, right? Exactly. This clearly I place the schedule here. So how many days it will take the classes. So what are the topics you are going to discuss? Just you can check these topics once. Okay. Good. Yeah. This is like index space, guys. Try to check this index space once. This try to check the index space, guys. Collections. What are the points we are going to discuss? 8 days. JV architecture. These are all the points I placed here. This is like index space. You try to check the index space once. Okay. Good. Yeah. And coming to the class notes link I shared and syllabus copy also I shared. You try to check the syllabus copy. And coming to the PDF documents, guys. Definitely I have the PDF documents. See, I will teach like advanced Java, core Java, Django, Hadoop, Hibernate. So like multiple technologies, guys, definitely. So if you open like core Java means you'll get the core Java corresponding materials here. Yeah, core Java material, almost all 500 page material is there. And we have the assignments concept, guys. Assignments are there. Class notes is there. These are class notes I'll share with you. Core Java some different materials I'll share you. Entry questions, guys. These are the entry questions. Definitely I'll share this all the entry questions with you. It's all the topics which are available PPTs. I have some PPT. I'll share this for PPTs with you, right? Exactly, guys. So I'll share the complete documents with you. And every 10 to 15 days, guys, we have to write some test papers. We have to prepare some test, guys, because once the 3 topics are completed, we have to know like what extent we learn, right? That's what here we have the test papers. You can go for the test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. Almost I'll get the I'll prepare the 10 test case total. Total 10 test papers are there. So yeah, different topics are the different test papers, guys. Just a test papers in the sense like the companies what the previous questions they're asking, just they'll prepare these questions and we have to write the see guys, write the output of this below program. Hmm? Write the output of below program. What is the default value for the string? One theory question, one programming question. This is like program question, then theory question. Then again program question, write the output of below code. Then theory question. Then again program question, theory question. Then again programming theory question. So this 20 questions belongs to first 3 topics. Like that, every 3 topics we'll prepare some questions and I will share the question papers with you, right? Yes or no? Like every 15 days you have to check what extent we learn, right? I'm 2016 passed out, sir. Yeah, please give suggestions. Nothing, Narendra, ready. 2016 passed out means that's not a problem. If you're 2016 passed out, see guys, nowadays even freshers require the core advanced of Spring and web services. Even experienced guys also require the core advanced of Spring and web services. The only thing is like 2016 passed outs have some gap means definitely you can take the core and advanced Spring and web services here. Based on the Spring and web services, you try to ask some real-time guy. You try to give some project. They'll give the project. Based on the project, just you can make the 3-4 plus experience, fake experience, guys. So we have some of number of consultants to give the fake experience, right? Take that. Take that experience letters. You try to take the experience and try to apply for the jobs. It's not a fake, guys. It's not. Just you can try to take some gap as experience. It's not a problem, basically. Because initial days maybe you feel some difficulties, but if you pass that for 4 months, 6 months provisional period, they will be fine, right? Because entry is also nothing. Just you try put the fake experience, try to ask the 2-3 interviews. Then what type of question they are asking. Try to check the topics and all, and try to update the topics, right? Don't think like even one interview, 2 interviews, I have to get the job. Don't make the expectations like that. You try to attend the interviews first. Then what they're asking, try to do some modifications about next level. Then definitely you get the job, right? Narendra Reddy. Yeah. So clear now? That's what, guys. Try to take some give us experience. Even nowadays, the guys who are giving the experience, they're giving the projects also. Even they're giving the projects also. If you pay some extra rupees, it's not a problem, guys. Guys, once you will get the job, first to 5-6 months are definitely it's a hard task, definitely big difficult task. Because even if I'm talking when I'm starting the teaching, definitely in the first class itself, you have definitely we will not teach like this, right? The first class definitely have some struggles, right? Do you think like first class itself I'll teach like this? Definitely no, right? Definitely have some struggles, guys. Once if you cross the struggle period, then you have a good life, right? Yeah, struggles are common, guys. Struggles are common. Even when I entered the company, in my first company is like TCS. And the TCS company means what? We are thinking like very big company and very big employees and all, right? Even Watchman also seems like very big person, right? TCS Watchman. It's common, guys. Huh? If you go for the first day, Babu, sir, I'm doing job. Doing job very great, man. Enjoy the job. Morning to night, after office, right? Office meetings, scrum meetings. So before job, you think like job. After job, what is the job? Real time is very dangerous. Good, guys. Because I think you got the clarity, right? What we are going to teach for the next few months and course duration and course schedule and everything is clear. Any questions? And coming to record session, guys, every day we will share the record session your mail IDs. Once the class is completed, we will share the record your mail ID. Which software for the user for the programming? Java. Yes, Java's developers take as definitely right. We can put it's not a problem. See how much you're able to perform. That is important for us, right? Yes, no. If you want, you can put the 3+ experience, Bob. It's not a problem. But you see, you're performing well in the technical side, then definitely I will take you and I'll assign the project. If you do the project, then what's the problem for my side becoming? There's no problem, right? See, big companies, there are some restrictions, but small companies, they don't have the restriction. Once you have the knowledge, then they will take you, they will give the task. That's it. There's no restriction, right? If you're good at the knowledge, then who will definitely everyone will accept this. It's not a problem. Good. Guys, every day we'll say the record session to your melodies. Every day we will get what? We will get the recorded session to every day you get the record session to your mail ID, guys. Your email, right? Exactly. You are clear now? Good. Because you try to check up to this point,
Sir, I
guys.
have a
We'll meet
small
you
doubt.
tomorrow. Tell me, yeah.
Yes, I have completed my BCom in open degree. Can I get a? Is it any issue?
You done a BCom, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir. In Ambedkar University, Open University, I have completed my BCom in 2020.
Uh,
But I have completed my
coming.
Java internship in a startup company. Is it any problem?
Mm,
Threats?
no, nothing will be problem. They won't check for you are from Ambedkar University because they don't know some guys. They don't know what is Ambedkar University, right? Definitely. So they never check for the what the university you are
Okay.
coming from. So they'll check for your project, what you done previously, and they'll check for your technical skills. That's it. So if you are good at the technical skills, you are good at the previous what you said experience, right? That is, you are good at that level, they will take you definitely. They won't think about you are from Ambedkar University or your open degree or closed degree. They won't care about these all the points, right? Exactly.
Okay.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Because
Thank
how
you.
I know that you belongs to Ambedkar University? Tell me. I don't know where exactly Ambedkar University, right? First of all, we know that like which is there in Hyderabad, some location. We know that Ahmedapur, some location. We know that, but
Yeah.
of the guys they don't know where is Ambedkar University, right? See, in Orissa we have some Abdul University. Who knows Abdul University? We have to accept that, right? Like that.
Yeah. Okay, but
Tripathi,
it's a
mm,
based on degree in
it's fine. See, you done some internship regarding Java, right? They'll take care about your internship and they'll take care of your internship. That's it. Hmm? It's
okay.
not a problem.
Thank you.
Fees, Tripathi, you will get the fees details after the class. You will get on mail. You try to check the mail and try to complete the formalities. You try to complete the formalities. What, Avinash? How much practice is required to get them mastered in Java? Try to do the practicals on the day basis. So I'll give some experience, like some assignments, guys. Try to solve that assignments. If you are solving that assignment, then it will be good. If you solve that assignment properly, I'll give some big assignments, some complex assignments to you, which we are solving like with having the 15 plus 20 plus experience, guys. The 15 plus 20 plus experience, guys, what we are doing the work, and I'll give that kind of experience. Okay, it's not a problem. 5 6 experience is like basic only, Avinash. So up to 3 years we don't have, like we are not working for the project, right? Up to 3 years we are the like development, like sorry, what you can say. Up to 3 years we are in the maintenance project, right? Definitely we are doing some Excel sheet work, preparing services and Excel sheet work only. Yes. After 3 years only you'll get some work, right? After 3 years only we will get some work, right? Yeah, after 3 years you'll get some work means definitely your basic level. 5 years means, yes, 10 years means you are the senior programmer, guys. That's it. So 5 to 10 years you are the junior programmer only. Hmm? 10 to 15 years you are the senior programmer. 15 to 20 years you are the manager. Up to 5 years nothing, you are the fresher. Yes, for everyone the same point applicable. Up to 5 years you are the freshers. 5 to 10 years you are the junior programmer. 10 to 15 years you're the senior programmer. 15 to 20 years you are become a manager, right? Exactly. Yeah, senior programmer is team lead, like 10 to 15 years, like senior programmer means team lead. After that, you will become a manager, right? 15 to 20 years. After 20 years, retired. Retirement is right. Hmm? No, guys, even my manager is working for, they has an experience like 35 years. Hmm? 35 years experience, and almost this package, 1.7 per annum. 1.7 in the sense like 1 crore 70 lakhs. Senior manager salary. Hmm? Yeah, it's possible, man. So in software, how much you demand, they'll give that much once you have the stuff. Software is like that because software money is not important. They'll definitely focus on work. So can you get some knowledge just for the 10 to 15 years guys next 1 to 1 or 5? Can we get some knowledge as in 10 to 15 years guys in next 1 to 5 years? Yeah, definitely. Even see the guys who are junior programmers, they'll work like senior managers. Knowledge is up to you guys, up to how much you're gathering, that is up to you, right, Avinash? It's not like hmm? Power BI is like UI part, guys. Power BI, okay, fine. Power BI also the market, but Narendra Reddy, Power BI have the market. But in case of Power BI nowadays, they're using Python basically. Python like the Cban module, some different modules are there regarding your visualization part. They're using those modules. Yeah, definitely the party, the coding, definitely see you're taking the core Java classes means you're up after this class, you have to write some real-time projects, right? You have to develop some real-time projects. Definitely we have to think about the practical way, guys. Definitely you have to believe in practical knowledge, but not theoretical, guys. Theoretical who need, man? Definitely to require the practical knowledge, right? Exactly, guys. Yes, definitely we'll teach in practical way, so no worries on that. We'll go for this level, everyone. I think everyone got some clarity about all the points, right? Hmm? Yeah, try to check these points, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow class. We'll continue. Yeah, guys, the guys who are not attending from tomorrow, it's fine. You try to check the class notes and the materials and the assignment questions and everything from this link. Okay, even you are not my classes. Bye guys. Tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye.